Okay, let's continue with the question 3. Look at the question temperature conversion. Make a copy of this file as answer temperature conversion. In this file, you write two functions that will convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. Your functions should return converted values. When you run temperature conversion file, asserts should run correctly. Use below formulas for conversion. Okay, Fahrenheit to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, this is temperature conversion. Let me save as a answer temperature conversion. Okay, here it asks for a Celsius to Fahrenheit. Therefore, I need to have something Celsius to Fahrenheit. Since it is saying Celsius, let's say this is Celsius, and I am writing pass here. This is empty, and also I need to have Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, and this one also should have Fahrenheit as a input, not a Celsius. If I run this one right now, I should get this assertion errors. Since I am not returning anything. Here I need to return a value. And what does it say in my question? Yeah, it is Fahrenheit to Celsius, this one. Okay, let's hear. This one is Celsius. I'm writing this as Fahrenheit, and I should return this Fahrenheit. And also here, this other one. Okay, this is the other formula. Put here Fahrenheit to Celsius. This is Fahrenheit. This is Celsius. I'm returning this value, Celsius. And if I run this one, again, that's it.